$350 a week. You can get up to $30,000 in credit.
Airplane safety books right here.
Go on with it. Go on with it. Yeah.
Happy good evening, everybody. We'd like to welcome you aboard Frontier Airlines Flight 65 to Orlando. To expedite boarding, honestly, I don't know what you have down here.
Whoa! We're in the sky.
We're above the world, right?
We're in the sky. Oh my god, my ears hurt so freaking bad. Loving that rented car smell. Just so you know, I feel much better now that I got my hearing back. What the technique that I used was close your mouth, hold your nose, and blow really hard. It hurts bad, but it works. So if you ever get off the plane, try that. It's the smallest stove I've ever seen. Oh, what? So tiny. You're figuring out the showers. I'm gonna look in the mirror. Yeah.
What's new? I use that right now.
We can hold it until we get out of the room.
Okay, so here's what happened. We went swimming. Not so bad. We ate, we went swimming, and now we're about to go to a mystery, dinner show. And by mystery, I mean, it's like, we're gonna have to solve a crime or something. So it sounds interesting. Something I would like. And that's just a bunch of dancing, because that's just, kind of lame. But I guess we'll see what goes on. We'll check it out.
Everyone else is at 15. Perfect. Right this way. Welcome to the 91st annual Fox Hunt Banquet. Once you go through these doors, you'll be in England. You'll know that because the food will be bad, the beer will be warm, and you'll have free health care.
Hello there. How are you? Oh, your dress is so nice. If I can find 15, I will surely take them there. All right, follow me this way.
Have your little yellow ticket.
Brian, yellow ticket, please. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you.
You're going to the same place all day?
Yeah, she did it.
So you can go ahead and follow your way.
Hello.
Okay. Hello there, folks. Welcome to the Fox Hunt. Hello there. What's up? Ooh, are you filming this?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Here, point at me. I just need to check. Do you have something in my teeth?
Yeah, she did it.
All right, that's right over here. Just don't leave any seats in between you. We're going to be bringing more people, all right?
Oh, okay. Veggies are there.
All right.
Pineapple is good.
And that's that. All right, Brian. What's your name, love?
Claudia.
Claudia. Nice to meet me, Elga. Yes. You got some competition, Claudia. All right, all right. Oh.
I'm gonna like her.
You're not working anymore as long as I was here.
I thought I was told them the same thing about you.
You can't think about me. You know, I asked you to meet me out there, and you're all like, oh yeah, probably meet you out there.
We're not going down this road again, Elga.
This sauce is good, you know.
I'm not going down that yellow brick road
Let's
either.
stay mad at you. Just jump on down the yellow brick road and have fun, friends.
I eat them all the time, which is why I'm wearing glasses. Who does he belong to? You?
He's my cousin.
Oh, maybe I can get my meeting going. Oh, this is exciting.
Mr. Arnold.
Yes, Jeffries. Oh, it's time.
I have had a word with his lordship.
Oh, excellent.
I'm afraid that he's not going to be able to see you until after these people have had their dinner. You see, he's decided to reinstate the Fox Hunt tomorrow morning, and this is the 91st annual Fox Hunt banquet.
Oh, and it comes to me till afterwards.
Yes.
Oh, all these people have to eat first.
Once they're done eating.
All right, well, can I just sit there then and have some food?
No. They're not your kind of people.
Oh, yes, I see what you mean.
Excuse you.
Putting some brandy and biscuits up in the library. If you'd like to wait there.
Oh, I'll wait there. Sounds delightful. No, I'm going alone.
Yes, there's going to be an audience participation part of the evening, but it has not started.
So, where is this again?
In the library.
Oh, excellent. And where is that?
Oh, you've never been here before, have you?
No.
All right, you want to go back out through these doors situated?
Yes.
Those are not the main entrance. So you want to turn right around the side of the building. Yes, you'll see the main entrance there. Set of double doors. Open that up. There's a large staircase. Up to the top of that staircase, turn left down that hallway and go to the third archway door. You want to cut through that room, turn right into the next hallway, and then a sharp left. Go down to the third room, and you'll see a suit of armor holding a book.
Oh, that's the library.
No, that's the loo. You'll want to skip past the loo, up 2 doors.
I'm already
and there
lost.
is the library.
Oh, well, it's awfully complicated, Jeffries. Tell me, is there a map?
Of course, there's a map. There's over 120 rooms in the estate.
Excellent.
Maps in the library.
Right, but perhaps I'd best get started.
Maybe while you're up there, you could read a book and kill some time.
Well, there's a novel idea.
Was that a pun?
Library humor.
Oh, yes, sir, it was. Oh, if you need anything, just page me.
Otherwise, I'll leave you alone.
Oh my god. Okay, that's...
Well, wouldn't that speak volumes for you?
Okay.
Yes, and I don't have any more.
I'll go see if I can find
Yes,
it.
thank you very much. All right, let's begin. Elga. What? You're excused.
Oh, but he looks like Maui from Moana. All right. I'm excused. I didn't stop working, do I? Well, thank God, finally. But I will miss you, Maui, Wowie, Zowie.
Oh god. Yep, she did it.
What can I say except you're welcome?
Oh, please don't.
Butterfingers.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have been the butler on this estate all of my life, as was
butler
my
always
father
does
before
it.
me. Until about 3 months ago, when Elga arrived, being the butler was a rather nice... Well, perhaps we should start. First, a question for you. Who am I?
The butler.
Jeffries, the butler, that's correct. And as the butler, it is my distinct pleasure to welcome you to this, the 91st Annual Fox Hunt Banquet.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! That was a pretty good show. Hey, look at all this stuff. Look at what we got. Can't even see my head. Like, whatever. I got a special police badge. I'm just holding these, I don't know. I think my favorite character was probably Elga. She was hilarious. It was actually a dude. Well, that's the end of part 1. So I guess I'll see you weirdos tomorrow morning. I know I'm so sleepy. I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.